Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s. Today I'll show you how to check number of apps opened each day. At the beginning enter Settings, scroll down and select Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Now tap on Show Your Data and go to Unlocks. Right here you've got lists of all apps opened today. For example, today I've opened camera 11 times. You can also check for yesterday and for different days. For example, yesterday I've opened camera 3 times. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.